right. That's how you do it. What's up, everybody? Today we got to put a new expanded fuel tank into this Revel Sprinter, and unfortunately, Scott's gonna help me out today. He signed up for this, and we're gonna see how much fuel we can get on him. All right, let's get it. Hey brother, I'm just ready to work right now, all right? Check me out, huh? What you want, huh? Let you go for shit. You got like a little flathead or something? Oh, there it is. There's the split. Can you push on the styrofoam at all? Okay. I didn't know what kind of access you had up there. Oh yeah, we're looking good. Yeah. Uh-huh. Take off this grounding wire. Okay. There we go. I got it. Get out of there. Ow! Oh! First fuel drippage. Look out, boys. Oh! All right. That's what she wrote. Clip right here. Oh, I got it! Alright, so in the video they take off the whole thing, but we're just gonna take off this little rubber part of the filler. Spill some fuel everywhere. Woo! Let's see, 8 it is. We about to get messy. 7, 8, 9. He 8, 9, but he wanted to be. Oh! Here we go. Brother. Woo, boy. Woo! That's good old-fashioned control. That's the thing that started all the wars right there, brother. That was a whole lot more than I thought. Now that we got diesel all over our working space, let's head to the next task. Yeah, baby! Back before the war broke out, it used to be a saucier in San Antonio. Now that one, it's Chocolate Thunder. If you're watching at home, I suggest you get a real big jack and lift the whole van up. But you can also do it this way, I hope. She's cracked free, mate. But also, if you're watching at home, we really appreciate it. The more views we get on this, the closer we are to never working again a day in our lives. Ow! Like, comment. Most of all, subscribe and send us $100 on Venmo. We could use it. All right, I'm gonna loosen this one. Well, if I can see how this goes. Yeah, baby! How do we feel?
Let's just keep going. What's yours?
I'm trying to think about our situation. That assures me and makes me feel bad all at the same time. I mean, how heavy could it be?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm holding it. Yeah.
Okay, now can you get that last bolt? Nice.
Yeah, Papa!
Welcome to the Xander Zone, baby! Yay! Espresso. This thing's just consistently dropping fuel. How fun is that? Yeah. All right. That's how you do it. Check it out. That's what they look like, y'all. That's what this whole trouble's about.
Fresh fillet. We cut right off the bottom of this one.
Woo! This one's about twice the damn size. 40 gallons of pure ethanol power. Power. All right, next thing's about to pop this sucker up. We're gonna drive right to Daytona after this one, baby. Woo! All right. Now what do we do next? Like an espresso. Just like that, baby. All right, boys. Just what I expected, Scott. You see what that is in there? Diesel. Grade A. Diesel. Now I just gotta pour it out here. Oh yeah. This is the stuff that Osama bin Laden loved. Oil, diesel, petroleum, gasolino. I feel like Pitbull right now. He sang that song, right? Give me that gasolina. So right now I'm doing a visual check here. You're gonna want to make sure the Vascularine vein, right? That's what it's called? Vascularine hose. I don't know. Big hose that comes off this whole unit. Because this thing is a real unit, brother. Yeah, the old venter. So I'm just checking it out, making sure, doing a visual check. This part you might want to skip, but
in the video. Skip forward.
Yeah, maybe you want to skip it. It's not very exciting. Go! Get a whiff of that, brother. Check it out. You see it in there? That's the thing. And it's supposed to be right there. Haha. No matter how you do this, doesn't fucking matter. You're gonna die.
Siempre con mi Dios y mis sacuditas a la orden del Japón y con mi damita que no falte mi amor. Ella es muy bonita, sabe que la cuido yo. Porca la prende, la fuma, la pasa, la para elevarnos un rato. Nos vamos de antro, Moe destapando, siempre enfiestados, pacas tronando y en arrancones me ven zumbando. Me ven zumbando. Moe destapando, siempre enfiestados, pacas tronando y en arrancones me ven zumbando. Me ven zumbando, me ven zumbando. Me ven zumbando. Me ven zumbando.
All right, now that we got the tank up, we got to get fuel into it, and we're going to do it the old school way, right? A little pump, a little hose. Our little power source is 12 volt. Everything in the van is 12 volts, so.
What'd you do with the other hose?
What'd you do with it? Got it. There you go.
You do it.
Yow. Yow. Ow.
Sorry, Brett.
You bunked me. You're bunking me. All right, ready?
Yep. Wow, look at it. Pulled it pretty quick.
It's got to be working. In this economy, you got to save fuel, man, you know?
Fill that tank! catch that reference?
Yeah.
Fill that tank.
Well, guys, that's how you do it. It was honestly pretty simple. You just take it out, put the new one in, swap a few things around, spill a little diesel, have a little fun. There you go. All right. Any small jobs you need like that or full builds for your van, any questions you have, feel free to reach out, chewdesignco.com. Thank you, Scott.
My pleasure, Brett.
All right. See ya.
Ey, siempre con mi Dios y mis sanjuditas a la orden del viejón. Y con mi compita que no falte mi amor. Ella es muy bonita, sabe que la cuido yo. Porque la prende, la fuma, la pasa, la para elevarnos un rato. Nos vamos de antro, muy destapando, siempre enfiestado, pa' castronando y en arrancones me ven zumbando.
GGV days, dude.
Yeah. They should have put this on a show. Fucking idiots.
Yeah.